It is time for another property tour with your host, America's Realtor, aka Alex Maloney. And y'all, today we are at Southgate Homes in Frisco at Northwood Manor, right across from the fields, y'all. And we're about to go in a sec. I just want to give y'all a little look at the front covered patio. And let's hop in, y'all. We are in. We are so in, y'all. There's a little worker over there. He is changing out the locks. And let's go in here to the in-law suite. And we have a full bath with a walk-in closet. And let's go back out here. Actually, there's 2 bedrooms down here. Huh. One of them can be an office, y'all. Actually, the office is over there. So there is, in fact, 3 bedrooms down here with this floor plan. So we have another stand-up shower. And vanity. And let's go back out this way. And this is, y'all, Frisco ISD. And here is the modern staircase. Love that. Mud room. And then the garage over there. And let's go into the office. So this is the office, y'all. So super luxurious office. Look at that. That is an awesome design. Shout out to the interior designer. And let's go back out this way. Little view of the front entrance. Got some soaring ceiling action here. And here's the wet bar with the wine fridge. And let's go in here just so y'all can kind of see it. And we got the downstairs media room, everyone's favorite. Love that they're doing this. Already wired for surround sound. And let's go out here to the kitchen, y'all. Modern lighting fixtures, rainfall countertops, double oven. And we got the pantry over here. Very nice, spacious pantry. And we have a little computer desk area, or whatever you want to make out of it over there. Open floor plan, gas grill, tile backsplash, and breakfast nook. And we have the den, y'all. I love that lighting fixture. They did a good job on that. Gas fireplace. Custom wood ceilings. Glass sliding doors. And let's go over here. The laundry room with a sink. Ample storage. And we have a half bath over here. So just a little standard half bath. And a door to go outside, which will go out in a little bit. And let's enter in the master suite. Vaulted ceilings, custom beams, and we have the master bath. Backsplash that extends from the countertops to the ceiling. Garden tub, rainfall shower head. Dual entryways to the shower. And let's come back out this way. Floating vanity, y'all. I love that. Screams modern. And we have a his and hers closet, y'all. So that is hers, and this is probably his, or vice versa. But very, very nice. And you got some good natural lighting coming in this house. And let's come up over here. Let's get out of these guys' way. Super hardworking fellas. And let's go upstairs. And this is a great area, y'all. This neighborhood's fantastic. Like I said, Frisco ISD. Here is your study area for those young scholars. Shout out. And we have the game room. As you can see, they put the air hockey table there. That is awesome. So you could do a pool table, air hockey, foosball table, or you can just do a lounging area, whichever you prefer. Whatever your style is. Preferred method of relaxation. And we got a full bedroom right here. And these bedrooms, guys, are very adequate size. And we got the full bath. Nice design right there. Holy smokes. Shout out to the interior designer. And let's go back out this way. And we have another full bath as well. Tub shower combo. With another bedroom. Walk-in closet. Very large walk-in closet for a kiddo. Or an in-law. And look at this. This is awesome. I always like to think of this as the ultimate gaming room for a child. So you have your step up over here, and they can put their PlayStation in there, Xbox, and they have their own little gaming area. Very, very unique. You don't see that every day. Love that. So all you Fortnite players, saddle up, because it's go time. And let's go downstairs, back down here. Super modern though, y'all. Love this model. Very, very unique. And let's head out here. This is another unique backyard, y'all. So we got covered patio. And we got the outdoor gas fireplace for entertaining or relaxation. And you have a side yard over here, y'all. More than enough room to fit a pool if you wanted to, or you can leave it like this. Whichever your preferred method of relaxation is. But I want to thank y'all for tuning in to today's home tour at Southgate Homes in Frisco, Texas at Northwood Manor. And please, if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button. And I will see y'all on the next one.